What's going on, B Nation? I hope you guys are all doing well. I have a fun-filled day again. Lots going on. I got some grape juice here, so I'm drinking that. Looks like I'm just on this liquid diet because I also have some Heal All tea, some herbal tea. Really good. I love starting with either the herbal tea or some lemon water or grape juice, grapes, whole grapes. I'm getting a lot of great questions and comments from you guys. Thank you so much. I've been meaning to do lots of videos. I want to thank Dawn in Florida. Hi, Dawn. Thank you for your comments, your emails. And there's also the Power of Truth out there. Thank you so much for your comments. It really means the world to me, you guys. And this is why I'm here. This is why I'm out there. It's to help each and every one of you. Just like I, got help, I want to help you guys in any way that I can, and I'll do whatever possible to get this information out there. I'm very passionate about this information and helping you guys. So thank you guys for your comments. Thank you to all my new subscribers. I love you guys. And there's gonna be a lot more videos to come on testicular cancer, any type of cancer, disease. I'm gonna be talking about health issues. And yeah, but today I thought we would just, show you what I'm eating, maybe to help you if you're transitioning. These are some great meal ideas to help you transition to more raw foods. I get people that are, coming off the standard American diet. Some people are all at different areas in their life, and I totally get that, totally get where you're coming from, because I have come off the standard American diet myself. I know how hard it can be, and you want certain foods to kind of help transition you. So I get that. So hopefully today I can show you some foods. I'm gonna be going snowboarding with some friends, so we'll see what kind of meals we can do, but I have one meal planned. This one I'm gonna show you guys. I love doing smoothies when I'm working out just because it's high calories and you're getting in a lot of nutrition in a short period of time, and you can bring it on the road with you, so it's really great. And I'm also going to be bringing lots of apples and bananas as well to snack on. I'm not going to be able to film too much snowboarding and eating, but these are my snacks that I'm going to be eating on the road and in between. And this one is one of the main meals. So let's get to it. So this one, if you guys, any one of you out there like eggnog, this is somewhat similar. It's super tasty and I love it. This is like my new favorite thing, you guys. So you'll need a blender. I got this here. What we're gonna add in here are, we're gonna do four bananas. I got 3 frozen. So we're gonna add in 4 bananas. You can add in as many bananas as you like. Here we go. I do like the frozen bananas though, because I just like the consistency of it. Cheers to you guys out there that are healing. Staying strong, going strong. So we got 4 bananas in there, and now we're gonna add in about a handful of dates. And of course you can add in as many dates as you like. I don't really, count. I don't do much measuring. If you guys follow me, I tend to just like throw things. I just kind of roll with it. But it turns out, a lot of times it just turns out. So thanks for that. Hemp seeds, guys. So when I'm working out, raw hemp seeds, this is where the protein is, your minerals. And again, I just do a pretty good handful when I'm working out. I want to really get in my protein from raw sources, but you just do the best you can. So whatever environment you're in, you just do the best that you can. Now this is what makes it like really creamy and smooth and very, very tasty. So I got some raw almond butter. So what we're gonna do is we're going to add in a good, I don't know, like that's a good tablespoon. And this is, the high in calcium, and I try to not go too heavy with the nuts. because I'm pretty nutty myself, so we don't need too many nuts going on here. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna add in some cinnamon. So about a teaspoon of cinnamon, dash of nutmeg. So that should be good. And I swear you guys, this is close to the eggnog, but there's no egg and it's all raw and healthy for you. So this is really, really good. So I'm gonna add some water in. Let's see, that should be good enough. And you know what? I just realized I don't even have a cup to pour this in. So I'm gonna have to go grab that. So we're gonna blend this up. While I blend it up, I'm gonna run and grab a cup. So this is what it looks like, you guys. So right there. So we'll blend this up and then we will grab a cup. I try to get organized here, but sometimes you just forget something. So here we go. Blend this up. I'll go run and grab a cup and we'll be right back. All right, so it's all blended up. I just have this little mug here, so we're gonna pour it in here and we're gonna try it, see how it tastes. And let's just do this right in front of the camera. Oh yeah, see that, you guys? That is where it's at right here. You get like a top view. Oh, it looks so creamy. Let's try it. Oh my gosh, you guys. If you try this, let me know how you like it. It's my new favorite. Just by adding in some spices with the almond butter, it's so perfect. So I'm gonna drink this, we're gonna get ready, and we're gonna go snowboarding again. It's gonna be an awesome day. Cheers.
I'm king of my castle. Must be the reason why I'm free in my trapped soul. Must be a reason why I'm making examples of you. Must be the reason why I'm king of my castle. Must be the reason why I'm free in my trapped soul. Must be a reason why I'm making examples of you. Must be the reason why I'm king of my castle. Must be the reason why I'm. Must be the reason why I'm king of my castle. Must be the reason why I'm king of my castle. Must be the reason why I'm free in my trapped soul. Must be a reason why I'm making examples of you. Must be a reason why I'm freeing my soul, my heart, in spite of you, in spite of you. Must be a reason why I'm king of my castle. Must be a reason why I'm free in my trapped soul. Must be a reason why I'm making examples, examples, examples of you.
Hey guys, so we are back home now. Snowboarding was always so fun. It just puts a smile on my face. It was about -30 out there, so pretty cold. So I didn't do too much snowboarding, but it was still good to get out, get some fresh oxygen. Now these Kelp Noodles were on sale, $3.99, and I'm going to thank one of my viewers, Ko, I believe your name is, for letting me know to soak these Kelp Noodles in lemon water. So I soaked the Kelp Noodles for about a half hour, had a shower, and then I made this sweet and sour sauce. So I came up with this myself. I used about a handful of dates, all of these tomatoes, a clove of garlic, about a quarter cup of apple cider vinegar, and a tablespoon of tamari. If someone wants to write that down, try it. This was amazing, this combination together. So let's try this. It's pretty good. And you can make it sweeter, add more tomatoes, whichever you like. So I did add some spinach. I added some veggies on top too. And this was pretty filling. It was really, really good. So we got bell pepper, onion, and a whole bunch of spinach, and it was amazing. And I finished the day off with The Truman Show, a really good movie.
You're not well.
You can't stay.
That's not true. Why don't you let me fix you some of this new mococo drink? All natural cocoa beans from the upper slopes of Mountain Nicaragua, no artificial sweeteners.
What the hell are you talking about? Who are you talking to?
I've tasted other cocos. This is the best.
Hell, does this have to do with anything? Tell me what's happening!
Well, you're having a nervous breakdown. That's what's happening.
You're part of this, aren't you?
If you guys want to wake people up, I suggest watching that movie. It is one of my favorites. So thank you guys for watching. As always, be alkaline, be yourself, and be getting in some raw food today. Hope you have a fabulous day.